Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one basic data entry form. Okay, so here you guys can see the database. I mean, where I will be storing my data that I will store in the Excel itself. And here is the objective to creating this this project. I would say the basic project. Okay, data entry form, so that you guys will understand how we can create it and how we can add the so many features, right? So let me show you the form first. So this is the form. You guys can see I have total 7 fields, right? And on the below side, on the bottom side, you can see that I can see what are the records that I have updated so far in the Excel. And I have given the 4 buttons as well, one for add, delete, save and reset. Okay, for example, I will add any record. Okay, 656. Okay, and the location is anything, for example, UK. An email address, anything you guys can write, gmail.com. And pin code, any pin code. And student name, for example, Shivam. Okay, and course, for example, data science. Okay, and phone number, any phone number. Okay, and fees is 8,000. Okay, I'm adding it. As soon as I will add, you will be able to see the record got updated, and simultaneously I can see here on on my list box as well. If I want to save it, I can click this workbook will get saved. Okay, and if I want to reset, you guys can reset it. Again, you want to delete any record, for example 656, I would like to delete. Double click on this and click on the delete. Okay, it got deleted, right? You see. So this is what actually we are going to create from this starting today. So let's do it together. Okay, the database will be the same. I'm not going to change anything. Okay, and here what you guys need to do, what I have done. Okay, so for in order to delete, okay, in order to do one thing, let me make it little bigger. Here, let me adjust it here. So what I'm doing is, first I would be putting here VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP, and I will give the whatever the student ID I will enter, I will be able to fetch my all the details, automatically. So use VLOOKUP match. Okay, VLOOKUP match like this, 0. Okay, right now I don't have any lookup value. For example, 222, I would like to see the details of 222. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, but I have forgotten to freeze this k to drag it. And if it is error, so show hyphen, not error. Okay, so why I have done this, I will show you. So this is what actually you need to create this field, and after that you will have to use here VLOOKUP. Okay, so that you can pull out all the values against the student ID, which I will give in the k2. In the k2 I have no, I have no formula, but from L to R I have a formula, right? So it will be something dynamic. If I will enter 333, I will be able to see my other data. If the I am entering any random student ID which is not existing, so it will be showing as a hyphen. So let's create a one form first. Alt IU, and now let's create the one form. This is something good. Okay, now let's design it quickly. So right here, data entry form, simple. And background color, you guys can give the background color as per your requirement. For example, I am giving this one. That I do. So I would like to take it as this red color. Okay, this one. Still, it seems little bad. This one, no. So let me this one. Still, it's not good. Okay, now let's choose it. Okay, let's create here one label to give the title. I would like to give the title. For example, my company name is ExcelVBA Expert. ExcelVBA Expert. Okay, version 1.1, data entry form, data entry form. Okay, this is what I have written, and let's format it. Okay, increase the size of 16, make it bold. Okay, but still 16 is not sufficient. You will have to increase little more. It's not 16, it is okay. And let's make it on the center. Okay, center. This is what we have created. Now let's take one frame here. The frame, you will be able to see, this is the frame I have. Okay, this is the frame. Simply you have to draw like this. Simple, draw it. And after that, what you can do, take and label name you can remove. Now take one label from here and give a, start to plot the name of label. So first I have a student ID. Right here is student ID. Right here, student ID. And let's make it little better, 10 and bold. Click OK. Simple. Okay, copy it and paste for second. So second name I would like to keep it here, and the second is student name. So student name, so student name, and space I would like to keep space. It now copy it and paste it. Copy and paste. And for next, the student ID I have done, and now I have location and course. So let's do it quickly. Location, okay, location, copy and paste, and course. Okay, now what you can do, copy again and paste it. I'm not skipping the video, guys. Okay, so that you can see from the starting. After that, course, email address and phone number. So right here, email address and phone number. Okay, and last two is pin code and fees. Copy and paste. Copy it, paste it. Pin code. Now copy and paste. Copy and paste. Select it and copy and paste. Now give it as, now you can change it as fees. Okay, fees. Now what you can do, you can adjust in an alignment. You can work on the alignment if you would like to work. Okay, like this, as I'm working now. Good. Now let's give the text box. So text box is here. Okay, you can select it like this, and now you can set the font style and size. I would like to keep it as 10 and bold. Okay, now copy it, copy it and paste it for the student name. It is 2. Now copy and paste. It is for 3. Copy and paste for 4. Okay, and copy and paste. Copy and paste for all. Okay, copy and paste. It will only take time to format and to design the user form, and for writing the code it will not take more time. We adjust it. Right now you see how good it is looking. It is really looking good. Okay, what next you can do? Next you will have to take one more frame like this to keep the button. Okay, now I would like to have 4 buttons. The 4 buttons would be, this is the command button, keep it. It is for what it is for add, adjust it. Okay, font size I would like to give 11, bold, and color I would like to change as green, and mouse icon I would like to also set as this one, and mouse pointer should be custom. Now copy it and paste for delete. So delete would be in red, right? Rename the name, write delete, and back color would be red. Copy it and paste. Copy and paste for save, to save the workbook. Okay, save, and color I would like to change as little this one. Okay, and font color I would like to keep it as white for this, and for red one also white. Okay, now copy and paste for the reset. Okay, so that when I will click, so all the text box should get cleared, right? Reset, and I would like to give the name as this one. It seems better. Now you can adjust it as per the requirement. Okay, you can adjust it like this. Okay, and decrease the size of it. Okay, now I would like to have one list box. So the list box is here. List box is here. Just check it and draw it like this and make it format, and let's keep it as 10 bold. Okay, simple. Now open. It is really looking good, you see. Now let's start to write the code without delay. So click on the add, double click on the button, and now let's start to write the code. So it will be dim sh as a worksheet first, define the sheet, and k as an integer. Here you will have to set the sheet. Set sh this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. Okay. Next k for to get the last row. Cells dot rows count a dot and excelup dot row plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Now start adding the records. sh dot range a k dot value me dot text box 1 dot value first. sh dot range, then b a k dot value sh dot me text box 2 dot value. Okay, copy and paste. How many times? 6 times more. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and rename it instead of b c d e f g h, because total 8 fields I do have, you see, till h, right? So here instead of 2, now it will be 3 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now I would like to also have, I will do this later on, no worries. Message box record edit. Okay, VB information and simple. Now press F5. As soon as you will press F5, let's start testing it. So I am writing it 212. Okay, look, student name would be Akash and location would be Delhi. Course will be MIS. Email address ExcelVBA @gmail.com. Okay, phone number, any phone number, pin code, any pin code, fees 5500. Okay, now click on add. You see record got added. You see record got added, right? Now I would like to also delete and save. So let's write here the code. Click on the save, right here, this workbook dot save, this workbook dot save, message box data save, simple. Okay, VB information. Now what next? Next, what you have to do, you will have to double click on reset. So here you will have to write me dot text box 1 dot value blank 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 message box all clear, simple. VB information. Okay, instead of 1, now it should be 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, simple. This is what we have written, guys. Okay, we have written the code in add, save and reset. Now delete. So no, here one thing we are missing. As soon as this form will come up on the screen, I would like to have all this data in this list box. So what I can do, I can double click on the user form. I can write the code in the initialize, right? In initialize. So here I can declare the sheet dim sh as a worksheet, and I can set it as a worksheet. Set sh this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. Okay, first thing. And now second, what you have to do, you will have to simply start to write the code like this with me dot list box 1 and with. Okay, and with dot columns count is 10, columns heads you definitely have true, columns width you can keep it as 100 for all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, dot row source, ss dot range, a1 dot current region, like this, current region offset 1 comma 0 dot address. Simple. You see, this is what I'm getting. See, I'm getting the data, right? If I will add anything, this should also get, added. So what I need to do, I just simply double click on this. I need to just copy it, copy, and I need to add it here. Okay, as soon as I will record the, you see, now if I will write one more record, if I will add one more record, 999, the student name XYZ, for example, location is, Mumbai, and course is Excel, and email address anything, right? And phone number anything, pin code anything, fees 4,000. Okay, if I will add, so automatically I will be able to see the record that it simultaneously getting update the Excel sheet as well, Excel sheet and this particular list box as well. You see 99. If I will double click, if I will reset, so all gone, right? If I will double click on this, so nothing is happening, but I would like to have the data. For example, I am double clicking on the 212 student IDs. All this data should get pop up in these text boxes. So what I can do, this is why I created this particular field, right? I only will make, I will get the one student ID, and rest automatically I will be able to get through the VLOOKUP function. So what I can do, I simply double click on the here you will have to double click on the list box, and instead of click event you will have to go in the double click right here, and here you will have to declare one variable dim sh as a worksheet, k as an integer. Okay, set the worksheet, set sh this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. Okay, and now what you have to do, you will have to simply uh, write the code for k02 me list box 1 dot list count minus 1, next k. Okay, next k. Here you will have to write the code if me dot list box 1 list, if k not list dot selected equal to k is equal to true. Okay, if I selected something, then what should happen, it should automatically pop up, should print the one student ID in the k2 dot value. Okay, then here what I want, I would like to have me dot list box 1 dot list. Now it is asking index number will be k, column number will be 0. Okay, and if simple, double click. If I'm double clicking on this, so you will be able to see I will be able to have the data in the background. Now I would like to print this data in the user form. So double click here, you will have to write here the one code me text box 1 dot value ss dot range k2 value I would like to print, copy 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now instead of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now instead of k, l m n o p q and r. Okay, simple. Now double click on this, you will be able to see I'm getting all the details, 333 333 777 999, everything is being printed here. See, add is working, save is working, but delete is still not working. Now let's work on it. So if for this one, double click on the delete, come here, declare one sheet, one variable dim sh as a worksheet, k as an integer. Okay, so right here set sh this workbook dot say sheets will be sheet 1. So right here one more variable you will have to declare for on error go to escape as a string. Okay, right here on error go to escape, escape. Right here ss dot range, in entire column of a I would like to find the value which I have in the k2, that is the student id range k2 dot value equal to select. Once selected, the selection dot entire row delete. This is what I would like to have. Then on, then what I would like to have, I would like to again update my list box, which is the list box which is here. Okay, I would like to update it. So for this one, update it, then what you can do, message box, okay, record deleted, VB information, okay, exit sub. If record not found, then error should come here and right here and should pop up message box, record not found, not found, VB critical, exit sub. Now let's test it. Okay, press F5. Now for example I would like to double click here. Okay, 99 is getting, 77 I'm getting, 3322 I'm getting. For example I'm writing here 1. If I will delete on this, so you will be able to see the one error, the record deleted 221. Do we have 221? Yes, because this is something which is deleting 333. If I will you know reset, you see. Now if I will double click 999, I have, but if I would like to I don't have, I think, anyone, but something is wrong here. Let me see. Let me see. Something I'm doing wrong. All the formula gone. How and why? Because this is the row which got deleted, right? So again, we have to put the VLOOKUP quickly. Okay, we have to put the VLOOKUP quickly. So right here, VLOOKUP, this one, and match, simple, comma 0, comma 0. If error, hyphen. Okay, now let's click here, and if I will be 99, and if I would like to write here something different like this, then delete, then I should get error. But this is something which is not exact matching, right? So you see 99 got deleted. Now for example, if I will reset it, now if I will write here the unknown number 1111, for example, sorry, this is 1 and 111, 111 999, and delete. It's getting deleted. Something is wrong, something is not working properly. Let me check. 212, when I'm clicking here, so it is finding the value a1 entire column dot find it dot select. What it is selecting, we have to check. Okay, now press F5. 777, I'm writing here 111 and delete. Now what it is getting, 777. Okay, what it got selected, how it got selected, it is 777. Okay, oh, because in the background it is being updated 777 here, no? Even if I'm writing here 111, but still what value I'm getting, see, 77, the reference which I have given in the code, it is K2, not this text box. So instead of text, instead of giving reference of range, let's give the reference of text box, right here, me dot text box 1 dot value. Okay, now do it. Double click on this, right here 111. You see it will not get deleted, right? So the record I deleted in front of you guys, that you already have seen. So it is working quite good. If I write here 999 and I will add, so you see this text box is, if I will keep on adding, record will keep on getting added, right? If you would like to delete something, double click on this, delete it, right? F9, delete it, right? If you would like to save, you save it. If you want to reset, you reset it again. If you want like to have the details, you do. Okay, but the one button which I missed for you, that is your homework. If I would like to do the amendments in the record, and again I would like to update them, okay, in the same place, then how I can do that, that is something for you. I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, so hope guys that this is something which help you. Okay, and I will try to make it more advanced, okay, in the upcoming videos. But yes, for now, okay, for now, this is something for you guys. You guys can go and download it and use it as use it and do the practice hard for it. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.